In the clearest ominous sign, yet that he is fed up with the President Emmerson Mnangagwa's escalating ED 2030 campaign and now ready to stand up to him to fight back. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga says ZANU-PF should not be driven into self-serving personality cults, personal power pursuits, and factionalism by anyone. Achipere mushe muri Zimbabwe, General Chiwenga vochidzoka nemacomeback manje, kuti zvese zvamaitaura ndaizvinzwa. Pane mashoko anouya achiadresa. Sanapinda mashoko anotogwana General Chiwenga not subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda on the news okusanyira vachiti is in his own words Chiwenga, who has steadfastly refused to chant the ED 2030 slogan, laid down the gauntlet to confront Mnangagwa openly, saying there is no room for factionalism at any level in the party. A party cannot be undermined by being defined in the confines of individuals. I repeat, no factionalism in the party. We are one and shall remain one. Hapana kuti uyu ndinomuda, uyu andimude. Tiriteseka. Our loyalty is not to individuals, but to the bigger agenda, which is larger than us, that of the party and the people of Zimbabwe who are supreme. It is the party, it is the people of Zimbabwe who are supreme, not Inini Chiwenga. I will come and go. Mashoko anoadreswa pana General Chiwenga as a comeback vachiti aiwa maslogan esa muripitayo ngapere. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii? Aiwa tona General Chiwenga vachiramba the mantra kuti ED 2030 anenge achitonga. Pinda comment section medu musano subscribe kulike, turn on the bell icon.